What up, people? On today's episode of Mike's Motorbikes, we're going to be playing with this Cushman diesel golf cart, side-by-side, whatever you want to call it. But as you can see, it's here in the little junkyard. Hasn't run in probably like 2-3 months. Battery's dead, so we're going to try and get her jump started and do a cold start for you guys. We got her all hooked up here. Let's set the camera up and see if this bad girl wants to fire up for us today. Give her a little glow plug action here. Get them nice and hot. And I have a feeling if it doesn't start almost instantly that the jump pack's gonna die. Let's see what we got. And we got absolutely nothing. That's lovely. Oh, there we go. She's not happy. So yeah, it's not the happiest thing in the world right now. Let's take a look at the starter. Probably froze up on us. How these leaves even get under here? That doesn't really make any sense, but starter is relatively new. It was rebuilt recently, but let's go ahead and rebuild it again. That's good. That's what we're looking for. All right, let's see if that did anything. Absolutely nothing. Probably would help if we didn't hit it with a piece of plastic and used a piece of metal. Try something else. Alright, let's try and give the starter a second rebuild here. Fat tire, good choice. Okay, that's what we're looking for. And nothing. Absolutely nothing. Alright, so no more messing around here. I got this here set of heavy-duty jump cables. Let's see if these will do the trick. Alright, we got her all hooked up to Old Faithful here. Let's see if we got any juice yet. And that's a negative. Go ahead and let this marinate for a little bit. Come back in like 10-15 minutes. Okay. Now we got something. The old girl finally came to life. Look at that. We got very little fuel. It's charging, that's good. Okay, take it for a ride. So that's a new discovery. That's supposed to be our brake pedal. Well, there you have it, folks. We got the Cushman running. Did a little yard cleanup, and oh shit! Apparently we broke our light bar. That's not cool. It's not what I was going for. Yeah, those are live wires. Lovely, but there it is. Cushman's running. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, guys.